Hello everyone, this is Vishal from Language Academy again. Over here, Bhupinder, special guest over here, who recently got 8 each in her PTE, guys, with 90 in speaking, 90 in writing, with 83 in reading and 79 in listening. What a great score, Bhupinder. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bhupinder, when she came to us, she was on 6.5 overall, from 6.5 to 8. Bhupinder, what a great journey was it? Please tell your journey to our audience. How did you take a very big jump from 6.5 overall scores to 8 each in a matter of a couple of months?
Thank you. So first of all, I want a big thank you to you and Team Language Academy. This is a place where I got to know the importance of each and every task. So that's the reason I'm able to get my desired score, and it's like a dreams come true for me. So this is the best place and best institute and hardworking tutors and really helpful. They really helped me a lot to able to get my desired scores.
Thank you, Bhupinder. Thank you. We are grateful that we could help you. Now, guys, Bhupinder was struggling in a lot of modules, but with 90 in her speaking, that's a great achievement, and 90 her writing. Do you want to share your experience? How did you got 90 in your speaking, 90 in your writing, 83 in your reading? A lot of students are struggling in these three main modules. How did you get that good score? What a great achievement, I would say. Please.
Yeah, for writing, I'm really scared before I came to here. Like, I thought I never will be able to achieve that, like in the writing score. But after getting the right tips and strategies and like able to crack the essay and the writing summaries, so it really helped. And most of the time I practice write of dictations and reading fill the blanks, which helped me really to crack the writing score. So for the speaking, I used to practice really repeat sentences. When I travel to my job, I used to listen the repeat sentences, the videos you uploaded on the YouTube.
Yes.
So that's really helped me to get 90 in speaking and 90 in writing.
Thank you, Bhupinder. Guys, a couple of good points out of there with the speaking repeat sentences. She used to listen to them all the time whenever she was in transit. She used to focus on her write from dictations, which got her 90 in her writing scores, with 79 in her listening, and fill in the blanks reading, again, important component. So you tackled all those right areas, and then you were able to focus on them. But with your practice, you used to come every single day to the lab, every single day to the classes. What was the dedication behind it? What was the motivation behind it?
Yeah, I came here regularly, and with the regular mock test and the individual feedback really helped me a lot. Whenever I feel difficulty, I asked you and Varun sir. You really helped me a lot to told me what is how to handle that section,
yes,
how to give answer. So it's really helped me a lot with you guys. So it's really like a very
big
biggest achievement, you can say that. So it's really of all of you guys which really helped me a lot. So
you're welcome. We are again grateful that we could help you, Bhupinder. We are very happy for you.